Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to mute any thread on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, join this application. Now as you see are on the discover page. So for example, this post, any post you want, so here you will find mute thread, so just click on it. Now you will no longer receive this thread. So that's it. That's how to mute any thread on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.